like the thing is, trading is not for everyone. Like you can have lots of knowledge on fundamentals, on technical analysis, but you still can be really bad at trading because of this emotional part. I completely agree. And I still remember I did master's degree in quantitative finance, and one of the professors who was teaching tech analysis, he was saying, guys, I'm really bad at the real trading. I can teach you how to do it, how to analyze the market, but I'm really bad. That's why I'm here teaching and not doing trading. And that's a reality. You can have lots of knowledge. You can know more than traders that are performing very well on the market. You can know more than them, but you might not be successful. Sometimes you can have emotional part. You can also have additional doubts. You might not make decisions when you need to make decisions. And another thing that I was reading a lot about the trader's daily routine, and successful trader is a person from who you cannot understand if he lost $1 million or he earned $1 million. His face will never change, and his behavior will never change. So because he knows, I lost 1 million today, tomorrow I can earn 2. And I earned 1 million today, but tomorrow I can lose 2. That's why trading is not for everyone. I understand I'm not that person. You can tell if I lost, if I would lose $1 million.